I'm doing bells. Put her in there. Here at the old machine shop. There's my boxes of them. Specialized bells. Let's see, what type are these here? Olds Pontiac bell housing. There's the other ones. Those are Chevy ones. There's a Chevy LS1 to TKO 350 T5. Take them, hit them, knock them off. Put them on this Tone Blanchard grinder. Yep, these are for QuickTime. These are QuickTime bells by Holley. So yeah, we even do some NASCAR stuff. All kinds of specialized things. Some one-offs. You can put if you want. You could put a Ford and a Chevy, you could mate them together, you know, marry them together. Or a Dodge. You could put a Camaro, you know, LS1 Corvette motor, I guess. You could put into Ford Mustang. Just all kinds of stuff. But anyways, figured I'd better just show you real quick what I deal with every day, my tools.